How do you say good evening in Irish? If you are curious about how to say good evening in Irish, you are in for a treat. Knowing a few basic Irish phrases can make your trip to Ireland even more enjoyable. The phrase you are looking for is Trathnanama. This is the most common way to greet someone in the evening. It literally translates to good afternoon or good evening, depending on the time you use it. But wait, there is more. If you want to add a touch of tradition to your greeting, you can say Daya Gwyd Thrathnana. This means God be with you this evening. It is a lovely way to show respect and connect with the local culture. Many Irish people appreciate it when visitors use their language. Throughout the day, you might hear Daya Dit, which means God be with you. This is a friendly hello that you can use at any time. Pairing it with Trathnanama makes it clear you are greeting someone in the evening. As your evening progresses, you may want to say goodbye. In that case, you can use Iha Mhaith, which means good night. Alternatively, Slán Agat or Slán Li means goodbye. These phrases are commonly used and will help you leave a positive impression. When traveling in Ireland, using these phrases can enhance your experience. Locals often appreciate when visitors make an effort to speak Irish. It shows respect for their culture and can lead to warmer interactions. So, to recap, here are the key phrases you can use during your evening encounters in Ireland. Trathnanama for good evening. Daya Gwyd Trathnana for God be with you this evening. Daya Dit for a general hello. Iha Mhaith for good night. Slán Agat or Slán Li for goodbye. Using these basic Irish phrases will not only help you communicate, but also create a memorable connection with the friendly people you meet along the way. Enjoy your travels in Ireland.